Hey guys, welcome back. OnePlus have released the new version of OnePlus Launcher for its OnePlus devices with some new additions. In this video, let's take a look at new features added on OnePlus Launcher. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So here you can see I have my OnePlus 7 Pro, which is now running on the latest version of Oxygen OS Open Beta, which is Beta 16. Launcher APK link is given in the description below. You can download that application and install it manually. So talking about the launcher version, after the update, now the launcher version is 4.6.4. And if you take a look at the changelog, it says added more options in the grid layout of home screen, and second, general bug fixes. So with this new launcher, we still haven't got the Google Feed option, and still no changes done with the swipe down to access shelf, which was expected to come in upcoming update of OnePlus Launcher. With this version of launcher, everything remains same. Like we have shelf option, swipe down to access notification, add icons to the home screen, double tap to lock. No changes done under launcher layout. Under drawer also we have the same stuff, but changes are done under home screen and layout, where you can see now we have three different options, which is grid, icon size and app name. Under grid they have added multiple options like 3x5, 3x6, 4x5, 4x6, 5x5 and 5x6. Then you can change the icon size also, where we have three different types of sizes. And at last, you can disable the app name from the home screen. This will only be effective on home screen, not inside the app drawer. And it's nice to see that OnePlus have added multiple grid options. So let's set 3x6 and apply. Once you make changes in the grid, it will ask you to align icons to fill up the empty space. So tapping on align, now you can drag and change the icon position. So these are the few additions what they have done under home screen layout with the latest version of launcher. Other than this, everything remains same. Hidden space is still available, and along with these new changelogs, they have done few general bug fixes. So you guys let me know in the comment section below, do you like these features which OnePlus have added on the latest OnePlus launcher? And also tell me on which device you have installed this latest OnePlus launcher. So guys, that was a quick look on latest launcher from OnePlus. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.